morning we're going to talk a little bit about ROs and filter replacements, or myths about ROs is going to be the theme for the whole month. Depending on what kind of RO system you have, the filters could be proprietary. In other words, you can't just buy them anywhere. You have to get them either from the manufacturer or an OEM replacement facility. Some of them have different lengths, different circumferences, and they won't fit in the housing properly. So it's very important that you just don't go online and order filters from anybody who's got the cheapest one possibly, because it might not work in your RO system. The other thing that you need to do is you just can't change filters and put them in different sequences. There's a sequence, usually a pre-filter for sediment, then carbon, then membrane, possibly a post-filter. And so if you do decide to replace filters or order filters online, make sure that you're getting the proper sequence of filters and make sure you do one at a time so that you don't get them fouled up as far as putting them back in. So if you have any questions about ROs, obviously give us a call. We stock filters from many brands here at the office. Give us a call, but it's important to use the proper filter for the system that you've got. I can't stress that enough. The other important thing is membranes. This is what does the ultra purification, if you will. And this is usually the third stage of an RO system, whether it's 4 stages or 3 stages. Membranes are rated in gallons per day of how much water they can produce. And it's critical that you match the membrane productivity per day with the drain line flow controller that's going down, the wastewater going, or the reject water going down the drain. If you put in the wrong size membrane, it'll either not last long enough or it won't perform the way that you want it to. So again, keep all this in mind if you decide you want to do it yourself. If you need any help, just give us a call. And if you need to buy some filters, reach out to us. We might have the ones that you're looking for. Thank you.